Alright guys, we just pulled up to this house here. As requested by a lot of you guys, we're going to be doing a property protection. Of course, we're here to downstream this house. We are going to downstream it with a 6% wash. Now, this is not a house wash video. If you're interested in a house wash video, I recommend you watch episodes 140 to 150. In that series, you know, you got 10, 11 videos of just house washing. We teach you chemicals and all that. But I'm going to do I'm going to do a walk around so I can show you guys my mindset as to, you know, what's going to get taped up and why we tape stuff up. So here, just to start, you see here we have a doorbell. So we're going to tape that up. Anything electrical, you see here, guys, look, this outlet, we're going to tape up anything that's an outlet or anything, you know, as far as like, let's say cables connected, that sort of thing, because your SH will get in there and completely fry the electricity there. So you see another right here. This door here, I'm not really worried about taping anything up here. So we're walking around, don't see anything here. So these, by the way, guys, right here, what this is, what you're looking at, that is actually a landline. So this means she has a landline. So we're definitely going to tape that up. Nothing here, no outlets. Always be on the lookout for, what are those things called? When there's a plug, sometimes you have outdoor lights and things of that nature. That's actually plugged into the, wow, guys, this house is really dirty. Look at that. You could tell, homeowner, they try to wash it themselves right there. You could tell. Wow, that is really dirty. And then we got a couple of things here. They don't seem to be electrical, like they're not connected to anything. They must be some kind of sensor or something. There's no electricity outlet here. And then there's also no doorknob. Usually I have to put a tape on the, you know, the doorknob, on the keyhole of the doorknob. But there's nothing here. Then we have a water outlet spigot there. So that's what I'm looking for, is anything electrical that needs to be covered up. And then also, you know, when we're talking about property protection, guys, look at all these bushes. You know, one of the things that I have my resources to send to you guys is the most, you know, the plants that are most finicky when it comes to our solution, and these are all in there. So azaleas, we got to be careful with that. Now it is towards the end of the year, so, you know, it's raining a lot and it's fall and stuff. So, but you still want to worry about plant protection as well, because they're one and the same: plant protection, home protection. Now, you see this right here. Where is it? Right there. Okay, what these are right here, these are the control boxes for your AC unit, and this is the electrical control box there for your electricity. So we're going to put some tape over that, the best that we can, because it's got some kind of huge cable coming through it, but we're going to tape that up. But my point here is, make sure you always tape this up. We'll put some tape right here. And, you know, you want to prevent this SH from getting behind there, because it will cause the AC unit to malfunction. So there you have it. Next thing I'm going to do, guys, for you is I'm going to switch over to the GoPro, and you guys are going to get to see me do this with the stucco tape. By the way, we're going to do this home protection together. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I lowered the camera a little bit so you can see my POV, my point of view here. We have the red stucco tape. By the way, this tape here is on my Amazon list. If you guys would like that, just email me and I will send you. My Amazon list, by the way, has all of my equipment, everything on there for you guys. You know, down to all kinds of parts that I order through there. Uniforms, all that good stuff. Guys, what I really like about the stucco tape is that it's plastic. So you see that right there where my finger is, nothing's gonna get behind there. Look at this right here. Look at that. Nothing's gonna get on this plug down. You guys see that? Look at that, just like that. Ooh, look at that, perfect, guys. And we'll put a little bit. You don't need to cocoon this whole thing here, but that's enough, because what we want to prevent is SH. You know, these things, you don't have to worry about water so much, but you don't want the SH because it's acidic. It'll get in there and fry the chips and stuff. So, and you know, you don't want to get it behind the unit there, any socket of any kind. Here we go. Now this is going to be hard for you guys to see because I'm close to the wall here, but I'll step away here for a second. In a second, I should say. Just like that, guys. Just like that. That's pretty good. Looks pretty good. And that's what, like I was saying, what I really like, always put one piece of tape over the, you know, keyhole, because your SH will get in there. It's happened to us a bunch out in the field where a customer calls and says, oh, after you left, I couldn't access my my door. And it's an easy enough fix. You just got to get in there and put some WD-40 on it. Guys, quick announcement. I've created a digital product called Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box. Check this out. Okay, so the Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box is actually a thumb drive that we're going to send to you guys to your physical address. And when you get this thumb drive, you're going to see a folder that's called Box in it. And then when you open it, you're going to see all of these files right here, guys, all of these folders. And guys, this thing has over 500 files, anything and everything I've ever created from my business. So all of the blueprints, training modules, documents, all of the things that you guys constantly email me about, you know, your pricing PDF, your for example, you know, your marketing blueprints, anything that you could need for your business is in here. That's why we call it a business in a box. One of the things that I really like about this is, guys, check out all of these pictures. So you have a total of 300 before and after pictures that you guys can add to your website and your Facebook and your Google My Business. And check this out. So there's a folder called Google SEO. And the pictures already have the SEO words in them. And this one photo right here has over 300. This specific folder has 190 pictures, but all in all, it's over 300 pictures. Look at some of these pictures, guys. Amazing before and afters pictures for you guys to be able to add to all of your social medias and whatnot. This is going to help you get a lot of customers. And of course, your edible postcards are on here. And then finally, you got training videos on here as well, guys. Like, for example, the video on how to optimize your Google My Business, the Mr. Bubbles. You got several videos. So they're like training modules. You got all the PDFs. The bottom line, guys, is this. This is going to help you with your business. So don't miss out. Make sure that you email us so you can get your business in a box today. In order to get your business in a box, you just got to hit the link in the description of this video. And I say this all the time on the channel, guys. The more you know, the more you grow. That's how come I decided to create this business in a box, because it has everything in there you need to be able to grow your business. And I really, really believe that this is going to be a game changer for you. Guys, you do not want to miss out on this one. Right here, this is just so protect the landline. I noticed she doesn't have what is that thing called, guys? Internet. I'm sure she does somehow. Couldn't imagine anyone living without internet. Today's modern age. There we go. You see that right there, guys? So it can't even get behind there now. And that's what I love about stucco tape. Again, it's plastic, so you know the water or the SH is not going to mess it up. Look at that, guys. Man, too bad you guys are not going to be with me, seeing this thing go from grime to shine, baby. grime to shine. Again, nothing here. That's electrical. That's really what I'm worried about. Nothing here either. So yeah, didn't notice anything really out of the way. And then, by the way, because you guys are not going to get to see this part, at the very end, when I switch to water, when I rinse everything, I'm going to put 15 to 20 seconds of water on these plants. And by the way, just to mention this, you know, this is all part of my house washing system. For you guys that are new to the channel, you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure that you watch episode 108. In that episode, I break down for you guys the Mr. Bubbles house washing system, which has 8 steps on it. So make sure you guys watch that, because a lot of this stuff that I'm talking about is part of the system. All right, so here we go, just like that. Again, I'm just trying to prevent the SH from going behind the box. Just like that. You know, something I always talk about in every one of my videos, guys, how this customer found us. You see that white house right there? Right where my hand is pointing right there? So last year I did that house, put a 5 around here in this house, and she held on to it, guys. Make sure you're doing your 5 rounds, because here it is. That was last year, not this year. And here we are, an entire year later. Ooh, that's looking pretty good, guys. Look at that. Nothing can happen there. And just to be extra safe, she's got like one of these tops is loose, so I'm gonna cover the top as well. And this house wash, by the way, $399, easy peasy, downstreaming job. Like I said, let me see if I can stand over here to show you. A little hard to see through the fence, but you see that white house right there? I did that house a year ago, put a flyer up here. She called a year later. Now we're getting the house wash. So make sure that you stay focused. And again, the 5 rounds are part of our Mr. Bubbles house washing system. Again, make sure that you're watching that episode 108. And there you have it, guys. It's pretty much that simple. Went around, taped up every electrical, anything that was electrical that, you know, may cause you a problem. Everything that you saw me tape up at some point caused us problems out in the field. That's why we came up with this system for doing this. Guys, if you tape your stuff up, you will never have a problem ever. And for you guys that are not taping stuff up, man, it's just a matter of time before you have problems out there. You're going to cause liabilities for yourself, complaints. People will, you know, post pictures online, and then bam, your business is done. Make sure you guys don't go that route. But yeah, also, guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. Make sure you watch the next one as well. In the next episode, we're going to be talking about which pressure washer is the right one for you. Is it the 4 GPM, 5 GPM, or 8 GPM machine? So make sure you stay tuned in for that. As always, guys, email me. I have a bunch of resources for you guys. All you got to do is email me. I can send you my plant list, for example, pricing PDF, and I also have my what is that thing called, my blueprint for new guys. So make sure you email me. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.